Assalamu alaikum, Pyare Hazur. My name's Samar Malik. I'm 14 and I'm from Makami region. My question is, what happens in Laylatul Qadr?
The night of decree. You see, the Holy Prophet ﷺ says that during the last 10 days of Ramadan, there is one special night in which Allah Ta'ala accepts all the prayers which you are doing. But at the same time, you have to be a true believer. Not that an atheist come to the mosque or a person who has never offered prayer, and only on the night of Laylatul Qadr he just go into sajda and in his sajda position he says, Allah Ta'ala accept my prayers. No. If you are a true believer and following all the commandments of Allah Ta'ala, offering 5 daily prayers regularly, reading the Holy Quran, practicing the teachings of Islam, then you can benefit from that night. And as the Holy Prophet said that you should try to find that night during the last 10 nights of Ramadan, in the odd nights, that is 21st and 23rd, 25th, 27th, 29th. So even he didn't precisely mention the night. He says, try to find Laylatul Qadr during the odd nights of Ramadan, last 10 days of Ramadan. So that is Allah's promise, that if a person is a true believer and whenever he is beseeching my help, whenever he is asking me and praying for his problems, I will listen to his prayers and accept his prayers. Right? That is Laylatul Qadr. But before that, you have to be a good believer. Okay?
Okay, Jazakallah.